Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Right. So today we are going to continuation of inequalities. That means linear equation in inequations. Okay, na? Right. So I thought, we have already completed up to 11 problems. Let us move on to the problem number 12. That is the solution set of an equation which is given that 3 into x minus 1, 3 into x minus 1 or 3 of x minus 1 greater than 2 into x plus 2 minus 9. So we need to identify the solution of this set. Okay, now? And when the replacement of set is given as minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 up to 0, 1, 2, 1, no, 0 and 1, 2. Okay, let us see the solution of a set. Now I am just multiplying here with 3 with these two terms by using the distributive property. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 ones are 3. Okay, greater than 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 2 4 minus 5. Now 4 minus 9 is nothing but minus 5. So 3x minus 3 greater than 2x minus 5. So to remove that minus 3, add 3 both sides. So we will get 3x minus 3 plus 3 greater than 2x minus 5 plus 3. Right? So minus 3 plus 3 cancel. We are getting at 3x greater than 2x minus 2. So try to bring plus 2x, this side becomes minus 2x, that means minus 2x both sides. Minus 2x both sides. Okay, so 3x is greater than minus 2. 3x is greater than minus 2, so divided by 3 both sides, then x greater than minus 2 by 3. X value is greater than minus 2 by 3, it will be the negative numbers. So we will get the answer of set S. So greater than minus 3, greater than minus 3, sorry, minus 2 by 3. So let me identify 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.2 by 3 is nothing but 0.666 something. So if it is minus 0.66. Minus 0.66 is lies between 0 and minus 1. 0 and minus 1. Okay, now. So 0 and minus 1, that means x value is greater than 0 and minus, means more than, greater than minus 1. This value is between 0 and, 0.66 means the x value greater than 0.666 and so on. That means it can be, x can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, all positive values, nothing but non-negative integers. So according to our option, the first option can be the answer, second one cannot be answer. Here minus 1 is given, x cannot be minus 1. Third option, minus 1, minus 2 both are given there. So fourth option 0, 1, 2, 3. So according to the options for replacement 0, 1, 2, 3, the last option will be the correct one. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem, that is the point which satisfies the inequation. The point which satisfies the inequation 2y less than x plus 4. So which has to be satisfied? We need to go through the options here. Okay, now the point which has to be satisfied the inequation. So let us go through the options. The options are given like 1 comma minus 3. 1 minus 3 is the first option, and the second one is minus 2 comma 1. Third option minus 1 comma 2, and the last option is minus 2, 3. Try to substitute one by one in the given inequality. We know that in the given point, the first value always represents the x coordinate, the second value always represents the y coordinate. That means here x value 1, y value minus 3. X value 1, y value minus 3. So y value minus 3 I have written in the place of y minus 3. X value 1. Let us check. So 2 into minus 3 minus 6 is less than 5. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 5. It is satisfying. Let us go on to the second one. X value minus 2, y value 1. Y value 1, x value minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, minus 2 plus 4 means 2. 2 less than 2 is a wrong statement. Go through the option 3. X value minus 1, y value 2. Y value 2, x value minus 1. Okay, na? So 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4, opposite symbol subtraction. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 less than 3 is a wrong statement. So we don't need to check the fourth option because we already found the correct answer in the first option. Okay, so let us go on to the problem number 14. That is given that the solution set of the inequation x plus 2 less than or equals to 8. X plus 2 less than or equals to 8. So very easy problem. We are getting extra term plus 2. To remove the plus 2, subtract to both sides. So that means x plus 2 less than or equal to 8. Minus 2 both sides. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X less than or equals to 6. Less than or equals to 6. That means x value can be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it is x belongs to the integers, we can take 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that also. If x value, x belongs to the whole numbers, we can take up to 0. If x belongs to the natural numbers, we have to take up to 1. So let us go through the options first. Or any clue? Yeah, x belongs to natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers means from 1, 2, 3, 6 we have to take. So your option is 1. The correct option is 1. Okay. So let us move on to the next problem. Right. So problem number 15th problem. So that is given that the solution for x from minus of x minus 3 plus 4 less than 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x. This is less than symbol. Okay. So try to simplify this. We'll get the x value. Now first with minus of x, minus into minus become plus 3. Here plus 4 will be lesser than 5 minus 2x. Still we are having a chance of simplification. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So minus x plus 7 less than 5 minus 2x. So try to bring all the variables one side, all the numericals one side. So that means minus 2x should bring this, it becomes plus 2x. Add 2x both sides. Add 2x both sides. So minus 2x plus 2x cancel. Here 2x minus x becomes x. Plus 7 less than 5. Now to remove 7, subtract 7 both sides. Subtract 7 both sides. 7 minus 7 cancel. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Lesser than minus 2. What are the values we are having less than minus 2? We are having minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. There are so many values are there lesser than minus 2. Then you take that x is belongs to the set of integers or gerunds. Yeah, x less than minus 2 is our required option. There is nothing but third option is the correct one. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem. The problem number 16. Yeah, 16th problem is given that the value of x from the inequation half of 1 by 2 into 3/5 of x, 3 by 5 into x plus 4 greater than or equals to 1/3 of x minus 6. Okay, no? So just try to multiply here. I am doing the multiplication with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. Product of numerators by product of denominators. It is 3 by 10 into x plus 1 by 2 into 4. 1 by 2 into 4 is nothing but 4 by 2. Okay? Greater than or equals to 1 by 3 into x, x by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 6, 6 by 3. Okay? Again, both sides we are having variables, x terms. So I am bringing that x term x by 3 this side, or we can take 3 by 10 into x that side. We can take any method. Now I am just trying to eliminate this one. Minus 6 by 3 I am just wanted to remove. Add 6 by 3 both sides. I am adding 6 by 3 both sides. Greater than or equals to x by 3. Add 6 by 3 both sides. So plus 6 by 3 minus 6 by 3 cancel. Now here 3x by 10. Now if you want to add this one, 3 table 6 2 times, 2 table 4 2 times, 2 plus 2 4 we will get. Greater than x by 3. Okay na? Now remove 4 both sides, or bring x by 3 this side, or remove 3x by 10 both sides. I am removing 3x by 10 both sides. Then it will be minus 3x by 10. We should apply both of the sides. Okay, plus 3x by 10 minus 3x by 10 is cancelled. Only 4 is remaining, greater than or equals to. Now 3 and 10 LCM is 30. So 10 into x 10x, 3 into x 9x. So 4 greater than or equals to x by 30. So to remove 30, multiply both sides. 4 into 30 greater than or equals to x by 30 into 30. So 30 cancel, x value 120. Okay, na? 120 greater than x. That means x lesser than 120. X lesser than 120 or lesser than or equals to 120. So go through the option, that is first option is our required answer. Okay. Yeah, move on to the 17th problem. The 17th problem is given that is the pair of consecutive numbers whose sum is less than 25. Pair of consecutive numbers whose sum is less than 25. There are so many pairs will be there, or any other clue is given. Consecutive numbers side by side are adjacent numbers. Okay. So let us move on to the options. Lesser than 25, right? Yeah, less than 25. While you go through the option, what the question is given? Sum of two numbers or sum of consecutive numbers. Less than 25. Okay. So I am just going through the options one by one. So the first option is given that 11, 12, 12, 13. So 11, 12 consecutive numbers, 12, 13 consecutive numbers. Second option is 12, 13, 13, 14. 12, 13 and 13, 14. Third option is 11, 12, 11, 12 and 10, 11. The fourth option is 10 and 12, 12 and 14. Last option cannot be, because 10 and 12 are not consecutive numbers. Consecutive means side by side numbers. So we can eliminate last option. Now coming to the first option, 11, 12 consecutive numbers, 12, 13 consecutive numbers. While you are adding 11 and 12, 23, which is less than 25. But second one, 12, 13. 12, 13, 25. 25 is equal to 25 but not lesser than. So first option also eliminated. Now second option, 12, 13 consecutive, 13, 14 also consecutive, 12 plus 13, 25, 13 plus 14, 27. But according to the option, we should get less than 25. Third option, 11 plus 12, 23 or 22. 23, 22, yes. Our required option is 3. Okay, na? So let us move on to the question number 18. Yeah, the 18th question is the solution of a system of inequalities. Yeah, let us see this one. The question is given somewhat different. So that is minus 15 less than 3 of x minus 2 by 5 lesser than or equals to 0. So we need to find the solution of this inequalities. Let us check. Now try to simplify this. So multiply with 3, the middle term. 3 into x minus 2, just multiply. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 2s are 6 by 5 lesser than or equals to 0. Okay, na? So remove 5 because in the middle term we need only x. So any extra elements are involving in this middle term. So we just try to remove for every part of this inequation. Okay, na? Right. Now here I have divided by 5. I wanted to remove, so that's why I'm just multiply by 5 each side. So 5 cancel. 5 into 15. 5 15s are 75. But minus 75 less than 3x minus 6 less than 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into anything becomes 0. Next, extra 6 I need to remove. So add 6 both sides. That means all the sides we are adding 6. Adding 6. So negative, positive, subtraction. 75 minus 6 is 69. So minus 69 lesser than 3x. Because plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Lesser than 6. Again 3. Divided by 3 both sides to remove 3. All the sides divided by 3. So it will be minus 23 less than x less than or equals to 2. So this is our required answer. Minus 23 less than x less than or equals to 2. Okay, na? Please check. So option, yeah, it is second option. But while you are observing the fourth option, second one and fourth one both are similar. But fourth option is given first one also it is given lesser than or equals to. But we have only less than, not or equals to. Second one we have or equals to. Okay. So let us move on to the question number 19. That the solution of the set for the modulus of 2 into 3 minus x by 5 less than 3 by 5 less than 3 by 5. Okay, na? So we need to find the values of x. Right. See here, when you take that absolute value, modulus of x less than a, if you take the condition like modulus of x less than a, there is a condition whenever you see the less than, the x value is between minus a and plus a. The x value is between minus a and plus a. Now we are considering this entire part in the absolute value or being in a position of absolute. So same way we have to write that it is lies between minus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. It lies between minus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. But in between we are having like 2 into 3 minus x by 5 less than 3 by 5. Okay, na? Or else we can remove this one. Or it might be the spelling mistake also or printing mistake also. Okay, right. Now first time I would like to remove 5 divided by 5, so that I need to multiply 5 in all the parts. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 cancel. We are having minus 3 less than 2 into 3, 6 minus 2x less than 3. Okay, right. So first 6 we have to remove. So subtract 6 both sides. Minus 6. Here also minus 6, minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Both are negative terms. So add with negative symbol minus 9 lesser than minus 2x lesser than minus 3. 3 minus 6 is nothing but minus 3. But here minus 2 is extra. That minus 2 is multiplied by x. Minus 2 is multiplied by x. So we have to divide it by minus 2 every side. So minus 2 cancel, minus cancel, 9 by 2 lesser than x lesser than 3 by 2. Okay, na? So the answer, the range will be 3 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Yeah, option number 2. Option number 2 will be our required answer. Okay, na? So let us move on to the question number 20. Right. The 20th question is, the question number 20 is given that, so a value of t satisfying the equation. The equation is 70 plus 5 by 6 greater than or equals to t minus 1 by 2. T minus 1 by 2. Okay, na? Right. Now, while you are observing 70 and t, which is the greater one? 70 obviously greater one. So we try to remove 70 extra terms. That means 5 we should remove, divided by 6 we remove. For dividing 6, I am just multiply by 6 both sides. Okay? For removing 6, I am just multiply by 6 both sides. 6 cancel. Still we have remaining 70 plus 5 greater than or equals to 2 table 6 3 times. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 ones are 3. Like distributive property. Now minus 5 we should remove. So minus 5 both sides. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 70 greater than or equals to 3t minus 8. Okay. Now 3t we should remove. So both sides minus 3t. Plus 3t minus 3t cancel. Here minus 3t plus 70 becomes 4t greater than or equals to minus 8. 4 also we should remove, divided by 4 both sides. So t greater than or equals to minus 2, nothing but, yeah, t greater than minus 2. T value is greater than or equals to minus 2 will be the solution. Okay, so let us move on to the question number 21. Yeah, 21st question is, the number of integral solutions of modulus of 2x minus 3, modulus of 2x minus 3 is lesser than 7. As we discussed that modulus of x is less than a is nothing but minus a less than x less than a. So according to the same condition, we can write this one, minus 7 less than 2x minus 3 less than plus 7. Again, to remove minus 3, add 3 both sides. Add 3 in each and every part. So minus 3 plus 3 cancel. 3 minus 7 means minus 4. Less than 2x lesser than 10. So divided by 2 in each and every term, then only we will get x value. So this is x, this is minus 2 and 5. Therefore x value is lies between minus 2 comma 5. That means x belongs to minus 2 comma 5. Okay, na? So let us move on to the last one, 22nd one. The 22nd one is given that the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side of the shortest side. So let me take the triangle like, the longest side is 3 times the shortest side. Okay, shortest side x, longest side will be 3x. And the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. The third side is 2 centimeters shorter. That means 3x minus 2 than the longer side. And the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61. That means minimum 61. Okay, na? Perimeter means 3x minus 2 plus x plus 3x is greater than 61. Minimum 61 means greater than or equals to 61 we can take. Okay, na? Then the minimum length of the shortest side will be, the minimum length we need to find. Just try to add 3x plus 3x, 6x plus x, 7x. So 7x minus 2 greater than or equals to 61. Remove minus 2 both sides, so that we need to add 2 both sides. Minus 2 plus 2 cancels, 7x greater than or equals to 63. Divided by 7 both sides. X greater than or equals to 9. So therefore the shortest measurement or shortest side length is minimum 9. So minimum length is 9. Minimum length is 9. Okay, na? Yeah. So this is the last problem from your exercise as well as the chapter. So in the next class we are going to discuss the next chapter, nothing but analytical geometry. So be ready for that. So that's it for today, children. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.